Did you know that clams and mussels should never come in contact with melted ice, since submersion in fresh water can actually kill them? There are a lot of wrong turns you can make when it comes to storing fresh shellfish, so here are some tips to set you on the right path. Let's start with scallops. Keep your scallops sealed in a Ziploc bag and place them on a bed of ice. Stored this way, super fresh dry scallops, those are the ones that have been not chemically treated, will last for up to 5 days. But we really recommend using them sooner than that for the very best flavor and texture. If you have chemically treated scallops, which are also known as wet scallops, they will last for about a week. When you're storing clams and mussels, the best method is to place them in a bowl, cover them with a layer of wet paper towels or newspaper to keep them moist, and set that bowl in a second one filled with ice. Be sure to check on the ice and replenish it as necessary. Stored this way, you're looking at a shelf life of up to 3 days for mussels and up to a week for your clams. And finally, lobsters and crabs. Make sure you ask your fishmonger for a breathable seafood bag and refrigerate the lobsters or crabs in the bag or in a bowl covered with wet paper towels or newspaper. Cook your crabs and hard-shell lobsters within 24 hours. Soft-shell lobsters are even more perishable, so cook those the same day you buy them.